Peter buys minced meat and potatoes. Minced meat costs $6 per kilogram. Peter buys 3.2 kilograms of minced meat and 1.2 kilograms of potatoes. The total cost is $20.40. How much does 1 kilogram of potatoes cost? Let's go back through the word problem and underline key information. Minced meat costs $6 per kilogram. We've bought 3.2 kilograms of minced meat, so right away I can see that that is going to be a piece of multiplication, right? If we want to figure out how much his minced meat cost, we would do 6 times 3.2. So I'm just going to kind of keep that to the side. And he also got 1.2 kilogram of potatoes. The total cost is $20.40. So the total in math usually means what everything in your equation equals. $20.40. How much does 1 kilogram of potatoes cost? Well, we don't know how much each kilogram of potatoes cost, but we could figure that out. We could say that the cost of the minced meat plus the cost of the potatoes, 1.2 times x, this unknown number of how much the potatoes cost, will equal $20.40. So now we just need to solve for x and isolate our variable. Let's start by multiplying 6 to 3.2. Get rid of our parentheses here. 6 times 2 would give us 12, carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. Let's count the number of decimal places in our multiples to figure out the decimal place in our answer. We just have one decimal place in our multiple, so we need to go one decimal place in our answer. So this will be $19.20 plus $1.20, or excuse me, 1.2 kilograms x equals our $20.40. So now we can do as opposite operations. We can subtract $19.20 from both sides, leaving us with 1.2x equals 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. We'll need to borrow. 10 minus 9 is 1, leaving us with $1.20. Now the final step is opposite operations. Again, we're multiplying 1.2 to x, so we can divide both sides by 1.2. Any number divided by itself is always 1, so 1.2 divided by 1.2 is 1, making B our correct answer. It is $1 for every kilogram of potatoes.